And recording. Hi guys, another amazing day. I just came to see Sinead and pretty cool. We go into the dissection workshop in London, which should be amazing. It's run by Jane Johnson, which would be pretty cool. Hello Sinead.
Hello.
And we're really excited. So
really excited.
I know, we can't wait. We're gonna vlog about it, but yeah, are you ready to go?
I am, but we've got to pick the winner of the Needer.
We have a competition. I hope you entered. Yes, the Needer. We have 2 Needers.
Yes.
To give away. The competition was for just subscribe to our YouTube channel, yes, because it's amazing. So we have 2 Needers. What are they? Ta-da! Pretty cool massage tools, which we review as well.
They are very cool.
And yeah, we just give away. So we're gonna pick the winners. So let's sit down on the couch and do it, okay?
The couch is away.
Let me do it, okay? Time me.
I time you, right? Hold on, let me set this up. Right, ready? Wait, till I tell you. Ready? Steady. Here it goes. Go!
What?
Need some Mission Impossible music.
Jeff, come on! Jeff! Challenge properly, gradually. Stop!
31 seconds, .72.
Beat me.
Yeah, not right now, we don't have time.
So, let's go, really quickly.
Okay, do you want to pick one? I'll pick one.
Okay. Let's just set this up. Yeah, thank you for subscribing. It was really we're creating this YouTube channel so we can share our experience, our ideas, to share the reviews for you. And one of those was exactly the Needer, which we review. If you haven't checked out the video, hands-on review on this one. So, and we have few to give away, so that's what we're gonna do today. We have 2 Needers and 2 lucky people to use them. So yes, let's do it.
So, and thanks again for everyone who subscribed. There was loads of you, and yeah, we really appreciate it. Just keep sharing and liking, and if you want anything for us to review, then let us know, get in contact. And yeah, do you want to pick first?
Yeah.
I'm just messing them all up.
Ta-da! So, the first name is Keith Young.
Ooh.
Keith Young.
Keith Young.
And...
Sticky stuck, hold on. Whose idea was it to use post-it notes?
Exactly.
Oh, it's a long one. Dyer Street Chiropractic and Physio Clinic.
So, Keith and Chiropractic and Physio Clinic, guys, thank you for subscribing. We're gonna get in touch with you to get the address so we can send you these amazing Needers.
Get the Needer.
Yeah, use it. Let us know how your experience with it. It would be great to hear from you. So we'll be we'll be in touch with you to get all the details very soon.
And well done.
Guys,
enjoy.
Share our YouTube channel, share our videos, subscribe and like them. Obviously, if you don't like them, then don't like them. Then don't like them. And yeah, if you have any ideas, just let us know. We're always open to do some videos for you. So always let us know. And yeah.
And we have to go catch our train, but there'll be a vlog coming up to tell you all about that as well, and our adventures today, so that'll be brilliant. And guys, if you think you can do a better job than he did, putting it on the table, then give it a go. And video it, and link us in it, and see who can do the fastest.
Can you beat me? Can you beat me?
I'm going to give it a go.
We can have a challenge.
Challenge.
Guys, have an amazing day, and see you at the next video.